A very common topic that comes up between meat eaters and vegans is whether or not plants feel pain. Now, every single food on the planet was alive at one point, whether it was an animal or a plant. Even coffee and chocolate came from plants. So every single thing that we eat and everybody else is eating was alive. Some of us are plant eaters, some of us are meat eaters, and some of us are both. So technically speaking, anyone that eats plants is eventually being, well, not anyone, but some animals that are eating plants will be eaten by meat eaters, and therefore they are eating the plants through the animals. So we're all eating plants. So some people will say, you guys are killing plants, you guys are torturing plants, plants feel pain. Well, every single thing a meat eater eats is actually coming from plants at some point. You guys are eating plants and the animals that you ate or that you are eating also ate plants. So technically we're all killing plants. But you know, we're allowed to kill plants because we are plant eaters. Second of all, plants do not have a central nervous system. They do not suffer pain like we do, and they don't suffer pain like animals do. If I want an apple, I can take it right off the tree without any pain. And look, another one just fell on the ground. Why? Because they want us to eat them. They're offering us their fruit. They aren't suffering, they're not dying. In fact, they flourish more when we pick the plants and they aren't dying like an animal would. If you take an arm off of an animal, it'll suffer serious pain and eventually die from lack of blood. You can't compare killing an animal to killing a plant. And technically we're allowed to anyways because we are plant eaters. So really, I don't see what the problem is in eating plants. They're very good for you. They're growing themselves for us. See, they offer themselves to us. If we don't take them, they drop off and they fall to the ground saying, well, you could have had us, but you didn't eat us. So there's one big difference between eating plants and eating animals. Thanks.